Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snapchat and preparing the photo you want to send. Once you have the image on the editing screen, look for the timer icon near the right side tools. That icon is the only control that changes a photo's snap's visible duration. Tap the timer to reveal the duration options. Make sure the image is finalized. Stickers and text are applied because the timer applies to the current snap state and not earlier drafts. Once you tap the timer, choose a value from the available range, typically 1 through 10 seconds. This is the only way to set how long recipients view a photo snap. After selecting, preview playback to confirm reading time for text or sticker animations. If the layout changes, make small positional tweaks. Text wrapped near the edge can be cut off at shorter durations. Remember, the timer affects only photo snaps, so videos follow different rules. After picking a duration, send the snap to your friend or save it to memories to preserve that setting. Sending locks how long recipients can view it. If you don't see the timer icon, make sure Snapchat is updated, restart the app, or reinstall. Outdated builds often hide UI elements. If duration control is still unavailable, export the photo as a short video and send that instead. It behaves differently but can simulate a fixed viewing period when necessary.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.